This is something crazy, y'all. This is a serious snowstorm, and this is the worst of its kind in the Chi, you know. This is very awful. Very, 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 very messed up. This is so wrong to happen this bad weather. Oof. Damn. It's really, this is the worst of its kind. Better than better. It's hideous and it's awful, you know. Man, I can't understand this. Whew. Ugh. This is so awful. The wind is strong as hell. And this is February. Man. If y'all people are thinking about going outside, hell no, stay home. Get warm and go to bed. Don't come in here outside. It's fucking cold. It's freezing like a motherfucker. And it's crazy. Oh. Stay home. I'm telling you, you got to stay home. Whoa. I can't even barely see too. Whoa. Whoa. Snow got into my eye too. Quick, everybody get home. It's safe. Oh man, that's Chi-Town for you, right? You know? Oh man. Anyway, I'm gone, y'all.